Today, the world is very busy. People wake up early and go to work. They travel on crowded roads. They answer many messages and emails. They have many plans, goals, and things to do. Life moves fast, and everyone seems active and connected. But inside this busy world, many people feel lonely. Feeling lonely does not mean being alone. A person can be alone and still feel calm and happy. Loneliness is different. Loneliness is a feeling in the heart. It is the feeling that no one truly understands you. You may talk to many people every day, but still feel empty inside. This is why loneliness is becoming more common, even in a world full of people. One reason people feel lonely is the way we communicate today. Many conversations are short and fast. People send messages instead of talking face to face. They use emojis instead of real words. This makes communication easier, but also weaker. When conversations are short, people do not share their true feelings. They talk about work, plans, or simple topics, but not about what is happening inside them. Social media also plays a big role in modern loneliness. On social media, people usually show only the happy parts of their lives. They share photos of success, travel, and smiles. When we see these images, we may think that everyone else is happy and successful. We may start to compare our real life with their online life. This comparison can make us feel small, sad, and alone. Another reason for loneliness is that people are always busy. Being busy is often seen as a good thing. Many people believe that if they are busy, they are important. They fill their days with work, meetings, and tasks. But when life is always busy, there is little time for real connection. People meet, but they do not really listen. They are tired or thinking about the next thing they need to do. Work is an important part of this problem. Many people spend most of their day at work. At work, they talk about tasks, results, and plans. There is little space to talk about feelings. People may feel like they are only valued for their work, not for who they are. Even when working with many others, a person can feel invisible and lonely. Loneliness can happen at any age. Young people may feel lonely when they leave school and start working. They lose daily contact with friends and face new pressure. Older people may feel lonely when their children grow up or move away. Even people in relationships can feel lonely if they do not feel close to their partner. This shows that loneliness is not about being single or alone. It is about emotional connection. Many people are afraid to talk about loneliness. They think it means they are weak. In a world that values success and strength, saying, "I feel lonely," can feel embarrassing. So people hide their feelings. They smile, work, and continue their daily life, even when they feel empty inside. This silence makes loneliness stronger. Technology was created to help people connect. But when used too much, it can increase loneliness. Spending many hours online can reduce real-life communication. When people talk mostly through screens, they lose important human signs. They do not see facial expressions clearly. They do not hear real emotions in the voice. Over time, this makes relationships feel less warm and real. It is important to understand that loneliness is not a personal failure. It is a common human feeling. Modern life is fast and stressful. It focuses on success, speed, and results. Emotional needs are often ignored. Humans need connection. They need to feel seen and heard. When these needs are not met, loneliness appears. One way to reduce loneliness is to slow down. Slowing down does not mean stopping life. It means giving time to real moments. For example, having a deep conversation with one person, listening without checking the phone, asking real questions, and caring about the answers. One meaningful talk can be more valuable than many short conversations. Another important step is learning to be comfortable alone. Loneliness becomes stronger when we believe we need others to feel complete. Spending time alone can help people understand themselves better. Simple activities like walking, reading, or writing can help calm the mind. When people feel more comfortable with themselves, they feel less lonely. Helping others can also reduce loneliness. When we help someone, we feel connected. It can be a small action like listening to a friend or checking on someone who is struggling. Helping others creates a feeling of purpose. It reminds us that we matter and that we are part of something bigger. Being honest about feelings is also important. Saying, "I feel lonely," is not easy, but it can change things. Many people feel the same way, but do not know how to say it. When one person is honest, others may feel safe to open up too. This can make relationships deeper and more real. Creating habits that support connection can help. This may include meeting friends regularly, joining a group, or spending time with family. In a busy world, connection does not happen by chance. It needs effort. When people choose connection as a priority, loneliness slowly becomes weaker. Loneliness may never disappear completely, and that is normal. Everyone feels lonely sometimes. The problem is not loneliness itself, but how we react to it. Some people try to escape loneliness by staying busy all the time, but this only hides the feeling. A better way is to listen to loneliness. It often tells us that we need rest, honesty, or connection. In a busy world, it is easy to feel lost, but real connection is still possible. It does not need many people. It needs real moments. When we choose to slow down, listen, and be present, loneliness becomes lighter. It does not control us anymore. Feeling lonely in a busy world does not mean there is something wrong with you. It means you are human. Many people feel the same way, even if they do not say it. When we understand this, we can be kinder to ourselves and to others. And slowly, we can build a world that is not only busy, but also warm and connected.